Welcome to a special Ask Austin today, where I'm going to be unboxing the DJI Mavic Air 2 and give you my first thoughts. This episode of Ask Austin is brought to you by R7C Air. So let's get started. Let's get this thing open. So first thoughts, nice case, seems nice and compact. Looks like you get absolutely everything in the case, which is good. So let's open this box first and see what's in here. So we've got several spare propellers, which is handy because these things can get damaged quite easily, especially with grass. Also got a couple of manuals, including a quick start guide. So let's have a look inside the bag. And there it is. Lovely. Very nice. So much smaller than my last drone, the Mavic Pro Platinum. Looks nice and well made. A wee bit of heaviness to it, but not too heavy. Obviously a wee bit bigger than my hand, which is good. Let's open this box and we should have 3 batteries in here, along with the charger cable. Batteries are a good size. You obviously get up to 34 minutes on the Mavic Air 2 according to DJI, so we'll get it out for a test and see how accurate that actually is. This is the charger bar. It's funny how DJI changed their charging stations for each model. This looks really neat and tidy. Figure out how to put it on. So we've got 3 batteries on there to charge at the same time. And let's have a look at the controller. So the controller is a completely new design for this model. Feels really sturdy. I like the fact that the joysticks can be hidden away in the bottom for when you're travelling and putting it in a case. It feels really sturdy. I like the size of it actually. I like the fact it's a wee bit bigger, so you've got a button, switch the controller on, you've got tripod, normal and sport mode. A couple of buttons in the back with a camera shutter button, and one for controlling the gimbal. Like the fact the antenna's built into the mobile phone holder. So the only issue I can see there is potentially catching the buttons on the phone, but we'll give it a try once we get it out for its first fly. But I do definitely like the style of this controller. Feels really sturdy, really good. Put the joysticks on. Good feel. And joysticks are not too high, which I found in my last controller were a wee bit too high. See what else is in the bag. We have a USB-C charger cable. We've also got 2 additional joysticks, which is handy in case you lose the original ones. And then we've got 2 additional cables, a USB-C charging cable, so a USB-C cable to connect to your phone and the controller, and then there's also a micro SD. There's also a micro USB cable. The lightning cable is already connected to the controller. It also comes with a charger adapter to allow you to use a power bank to charge the batteries, which is handy if you're out and about and you need to get some power to your batteries. And there is also there's also some ND filters, which is quite unusual for DJI to give them away with the drone. So now onto the drone itself, get all the stickers peeled off. Get the propellers installed. So there we have it. So my first thoughts on the new Mavic Air 2. I like the nice compact design. Love the styling of the new controller. Feels a lot better in their hands. Comes with ND filters. Smaller battery, but gives you longer flight times. Can't wait to give this a try, so once I do, I'll report back on what I think. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you're not already a subscriber, subscribe below and turn on the notifications. Until the next time.